Day 4, the challenges of living with a stranger were becoming more apparent.
I gotta tell you something. You were snoring bad last night, actually.
Sorry.
Some earplugs would be nice, but it's okay.
If Rain ever annoys me, this'll just freak her out. This is our view of the outside. It's just dirt.
So gross to look at. Hey, hey, hey.
But since leaving would cost them $500,000, they were going to have to make the best of it.
I made enough salad for both of us.
I am so bored.
Today, we're building a throne of canned food. I'm Hugo.
I'm Rain, and this is Life in the Bunker.
And